Imagine a place where the land stretches endlessly, white as snow, and the sky feels close enough to touch.
This is Lake Hart, a hidden marvel along Australia's Outback Highway. Known for its surreal salt flats and unforgettable views, it's more than just a pretty stop.
Today, we're diving into the stories and secrets of Lake Hart, from its days of salt mining to what makes it such a perfect place for an overnight stay.
Stay with us as we uncover what makes Lake Hart a true Outback treasure. Welcome to Lake Hart, an absolute gem along the Stuart Highway in South Australia. This place might seem otherworldly at first, but there's actually so much history and natural beauty here that it makes it an unforgettable stop on any road trip.
Lake Hart is a salt lake, and its glistening white surface stretches out almost as far as the eye can see. It's part of a chain of salt lakes that dot the region and make for spectacular landscapes, especially at sunset. The colours out here can range from brilliant whites to deep pinks and reds, depending on the light.
And if you're curious about the history, Lake Hart has a unique one. Back in the day, this area was bustling with activity as it was once mined for salt. Though those operations ceased, some remnants of that history remain if you look closely. And if you're into photography, it's a dream.
For anyone travelling the Stuart Highway, this spot makes for an ideal overnight stop. The rest area here allows you to stay for up to 24 hours, which means you have just enough time to settle in, take in the views, and even catch a breathtaking sunset and sunrise.
Plus, if you're looking to unwind, it's a peaceful spot with minimal amenities, so be prepared. It's bring your own everything, but that's what makes it a true getaway. A quiet night under the stars at Lake Hart can feel like you're a million miles from civilization.
So, whether you're here for the landscapes, the history, or just a quick break on your journey, Lake Hart won't disappoint. Just remember to respect this fragile environment and take everything with you when you leave.
Exactly. Let's keep this place pristine for future travelers.
And before we wrap up, here's one more treat. If you're lucky, you might catch one of Australia's famous freight trains passing by Lake Hart. These trains can stretch for over a kilometre, winding through the Outback as they carry goods across the country.
It's a powerful sight, isn't it? Seeing a train snake through this vast open landscape reminds you just how remote and rugged this part of Australia really is. It's moments like these that capture the spirit of the Outback, vast, resilient, and always on the move.
So, as you watch the train roll by, we'll leave you with this last look at Lake Hart. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we hope you find your own adventure here someday. Safe travels, everyone, and enjoy the magic of Lake Hart.
Such a great spot. Had so much fun there.
Thank you for watching, and if you have made it this far, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel more than you know. Also, we have our own merchandise available. The link will be in the description below.